Hey, all my crafty peeps. It's Randy. I have an unboxing of a Diamond Art Club painting for you today. We are going to unbox a round painting. You can see here it's got the round thing. It says round diamonds. If it's a square, it will actually have a blue square on the box. So today we are unboxing Ángel de los Muertos. I hope I said that correctly. If I didn't, then you can blame it on my Texas accent. So, as I said, it's a round, and the size is 56 centimeters by 74 centimeters. And it's by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. So let's take a look inside. So I hope you guys are doing well today. I know there are several people that have already done an unboxing of this, but I wanted to do one as well. I think it's a beautiful painting. I've seen a couple of people that have completed it already. Take all this out of here. Oops. Everything's falling out. All right. Yep. Got it. So basically, you have... All right. So basically, we have our toolkit. Your toolkit's going to have a pen, some baggies, a little tray, a squishy. I believe it's got a 4-placer and some wax. It does not have, you won't get tweezers in this one because tweezers only come with squares. So, oops, here's my little placer. So here's your little placer. Here's your pen. Got all your baggies, your wax, and your squishy and tray. And then you will get a small sticker and a large sticker. And on the large sticker, it's also going to show you all of the symbols. You're going to have 2 ABs in this, Aurora Borealis. I'll explain that in a minute. Anything that's below 150 is going to be a AB. So you've got 1 and 2, that's going to be 137 and 141. Now these ABs are Diamond Art Club colors, so you won't be able to match those up. Like if you want to get more of them or something like that, you'll just have to get something that's similar. So here is the picture. You've got 50 colors on this one. As I said before, it's a round, 56 centimeters by 74 centimeters or 22 inches by 29 inches. It's by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. See if you can see the sticker. Okay, there we go. So that's what she looks like. I think usually they put a little instruction sheet on the outside, but it may actually be in here. Let's open this up and get your drills. Ah, there she is. All right, so here's your step-by-step instructions. So basically you can look in here and it'll show you exactly how to diamond paint. That way, if you've never done it before. Also, inside this booklet, you will see a discount code as well as on the side of the box. If you scan that, you'll get a 10% off. Typically on your packing slip, you get one, but I actually don't have a packing slip in this box. So that's 3 different ways that you can get a discount. We'll look at the drills in a minute. This is poured glue, so you can actually roll it backwards and that will kind of smooth it out a little bit. So I'm just going to roll this guy backwards. And it's not going to hurt anything if you roll it back on itself. Poured glue is the best glue. You don't have to worry about bubbles or any of that stuff in it. So make sure you can see all of this. So there she is in all of her glory. She's so beautiful. Look at those eyes. I know a lot of people don't like Jasmine or Hannah Lynn or whatever, the girls with the big eyes, but I absolutely love them. I actually used to do primarily adult coloring, and Jasmine Beckett Griffith was actually the first artist that I ever got coloring books of. So I was really excited to see that Diamond Art Club was doing diamond paintings of hers. So So pretty. It's got the big skulls down here, and it's got the flag over here. It's got the big like blanket over there. She's so pretty. I love this painting. So basically on the painting, you have two schematics. You've got one down here in the bottom right. You've got one over here in the top left. That way, if you use those, you can easily see them, whether it's rolled up on the bottom or the top or whatever. It's also got all of the information down here. Oh, but I almost forgot. There's a discount code down here as well. So you can take 10% off if you use the canvas as well. All right, so let's see here. Well, let's make sure that the canvas is sticky. There's really no need to do this because it's always sticky, but open this up. Yep, nice and sticky. Let's look at the drill field here. I've never had any issues with clarity on the drill field. I mean, it looks good. You can see the symbols very clearly. Love it, love it, love it. Put this back down here. Actually, let's turn her over and we can look at the drills. Because this one's not a gigantic painting, you don't have as many drills, so it should be easy to go through. Let me know in the comments below. I know some people love looking through the drills, other people not so much. So let me know if this is something that you are definitely interested in, or if you'd rather just see the ABs. I can always just take the ABs out of here. So let's see, we've got just the two ABs. Open this up. Sorry about the crinkle. If you don't like it, what's wrong with you? Let's see how many strips we got here. We got 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we got a lot of 310. You can already see that now. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 310. We've got 2 bags of 415, 436, 37.99, 3371. We've actually got 2 bags of 3371, 414, 762, 762. So we've got 2 bags of that. Ding, ding, ding. We've got an AB. So 141 is obviously below 150, so this is going to be a Diamond Art Club AB. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. Basically, if you look closely, you can see the extra shine on there. There's an extra coating on top that makes it sparkle. It picks up the extra colors around it too, so it just makes it more brilliant. The ABs are beautiful. Then we've got 318, 321. We've got 435, 938, 814, 433, 720, 498, 437, 413, 317, 699, that's really pretty green, 780, 743, 796, 898, 956, 666, 782, 728, 718, that's a really pretty pink, I like that, 783, and our last strip. These are going to be the smaller baggies, so you're going to have less in these, but I think these are going to be really nice colors too. You got 700, got another AB, there she is, 137. So we've got 2 ABs in this. So we have the white one, the 141, which is really common in most Diamond Art Club kits. And then we have this 137, so it's a really pretty blue color. Hopefully you can see all the shine in there. So there's your other Aurora Borealis. You've got 900, 754, 702, 915, 991, 939, 906, 150, 890, 434, 327, 907, my favorite color. It's got that nice lime green to it. 3326, 963, 3609, 996, 3733, and 3801. So those are going to be all of your colors. Oh, looks like I got a little drill over there. Let's flip her back over here. Make sure she's in frame. All right, so let's look and see where these ABs are. So we have our sheet here. We're looking for the number 1 and the number 2. So let's look for number 1s first, and that's going to be the blue color. So I'm assuming, yep, down here in the skull, you've got some 1s, and then over here you've got a few 1s. Let's see, I don't think there's any more blue up here. I think it's all just gonna be down there. Let's see if there's any up here. Nope. Okay, so I think the 1s are just going to be down in the skulls. And then we've got number 2, which is 141, that white looking AB. So let's see where the 2s are. We've got some 2s in the skull. We've got some 2s sort of spread out through this skull. 2s in her dress through here, a couple through here, and on the sleeve, none over here. We've got a couple in the eyes. We've got a couple up here in the flag, and just a few over here. And I think that's all of the 2s. Yes. Yes. So primarily in the skulls, a little bit in the dress, and some up in the flag over there. I think she's going to turn out beautifully. I did notice there were, I think, 2 different people that I saw that had finished this canvas. And even though the colors in the face and then around the cheek and inside the cheeks were like, let's see here. Where's the plus sign? Where's the plus sign? There it is. So 754 is going to be what's inside the cheeks, but it was a lot lighter. It looked kind of weird to me, and like even through here in her arms, it looked kind of funny. So I may tweak the colors on her face just a little bit, at least where the cheeks are. So just be aware of that, because I know right above the eyebrows and right in here in the cheek area, it does tend to be, and in the arms, it does tend to be quite a difference in color. So you may want to play with that, you may not. I think she looks beautiful either way. You know me, I'm just kind of a stickler for skin tone. Here's the image someone finished. I just wanted to show you what I was talking about with the skin tone. As you can see above the eyebrows and the cheeks, the nose, and down the arms, it's much lighter. It doesn't gradiate so well. So you can have the option, you know, if you want to get different drills and change them out, or she looks great the way she is too. I just wanted to kind of show you a visual of what I was referring to. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and definitely hit that bell to be subscribed so you'll be notified anytime I put up a new video. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video, and I will see you next time. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.